Demolition Ranch here, and today me and my mate Cody, we've just smashed a bloody HTC with a fucking 10-pound hammer. Where is the bastard? Look at that bitch. Now, we're gonna smash this fucker. Bloody iPad. We've already dented the fucker, and we'll give you a sneak peek at the back. Look at that.
Denting.
Like mad ass.
We're going to use this small hammer today to get it right on the corner.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Okay. Check the damage. Look, you can already fucking see little fucking holes all the way through. I'll see if I can pick out a bit of glass. Look at all that. Okay.
So it's starting to come out.
It's starting to come out here. And oh, I can peel this open. Look at this, guys. Okay, we got to get that battery out.
Is this a battery?
Yeah, bro. That's a battery.
No. Wait, oh shit, me.
Snap this. You don't need.
No, don't snap anything. Just get the battery out.
How the fuck?
I don't think you can get it out.
Wait, hold the phone for a second.
No.
Ow, fuck.
Here, I'll get it out.
I think I got it. Oh, fuck. Wait, where's this chisel?
We're going to use a chisel to get it out. This baby.
No. Nah, just you don't need the hammer.
Wait, watch it. Tell him to watch it.
Fuck. Okay, we've already fucking smashed. Wait, guys. We've taken out the battery. And now for a bit of fun, I'm going to punch through the screen.
No, don't.
No, we will.
Yeah, I will soon.
In a couple years. Maybe.
Actually, no, we might not take the battery out.
I'm going to punch through the screen.
No, I am.
No, bro.
Yeah.
Whatever.
And we're going to take this out.
Look at that.
And then take
Fucking
this baby out.
And then Cody
Rip that.
is going to fucking punch through the screen.
Wait, stop saying no. And I am going to do the punch through the screen test. Oh no, should I put the hammer through it? Or
Nah. Here.
but no, but I might split my hand. I'm going to lean it on this baby. We got the towel for protection, just in case it falls. I'm going to put it on that baby, like that. Actually, no, I might put this under this one, so then it's higher. Because this one is...
Sorry for the waiting, guys. You want to see this guy punch through an iPad screen.
Can you just hold that like that?
Yeah, okay.
And then I'm going to punch through this screen. I might get little scratches. Hold it.
No, you don't need it.
Ready?
Wait.
Wait, hold on. I'm going to go get a glove.
So he doesn't fucking split his hand open. So, in the meanwhile, I'm eating ice cream.
So yummy.
So see what this twit's doing. Fuck, got glass on my foot. This twit. Fucking...
Can't find the young blood. You know where the gloves are?
Fucking hell, where'd you put them, Cody?
I don't know.
Here, just use this.
No.
This is like a little room tour. You can see how messy mine is.
Found it.
Fuck, you found one. Okay. Now, let's go. Walking to the garage. Fucking some people.
Marley, come watch this. Hurry up.
Okay. Take. Oh shit.
So I am now
Look at
going
from a hammer.
punch through this screen. Might want to cover my knuckles.
He's fucking nervous as all balls though.
No, I'm not. No, move that over.
No, Mum!
What are you doing?
He's gonna punch through the screen.
I'm going to go see.
You're gonna punch it?
Yeah.
That was stupid, Kian.
I didn't cut it.
No, that was stupid.
Here we go.
Which way is a standing, boys? It's gonna be glass everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, I got
And he already done it.
little fucking cut.
Here.
Oh, Marley, your feet are covered in glass.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, they are.
Ooh.
I can see the glass from here.
Ready?
And now you're gonna have it all over your hands. Get out of there. Quick move.
Ready?
Here, bro. Be careful.
I'm gonna go like that.
Ready?
Fuck. I'm just gonna go like that. Wait, I'll do it onto the towel.
Stop. You're gonna cut yourselves.
Doesn't matter.
Boys, clean up. Get
Yeah.
the broom, sweep it all up.
Look at that. We are done.
Okay.
No,
So
smash my iPad.
that's Cody going into punch through an iPad screen and killing it with this hammer. And just another peek of the back here. But look, there's a battery case. And then peek back. There's a battery and shit.
You can.
Cut myself.
Yeah, see? Here. Which way are you walking? Because it's all over the floor. Show me your hand. Where you cut
That's
yourself.
it.